Small window and door issues can be tempting to fix yourself. A little caulk here, a weather strip replacement there, and the problem seems solved, at least temporarily. However, not every issue is a quick repair. Sometimes, what appears minor on the surface may point to a larger underlying problem. Knowing when to stop patching and call window and door professionals can save you time, money, and frustration in the long run. Here are the most common signs it's time to bring in the experts instead of attempting another repair. Persistent drafts that keep coming back. If you've sealed gaps multiple times but still feel drafts, the issue may not be surface level. Drafts often indicate structural shifting, worn frames, or compromised seals inside the unit. Professionals can assess whether the problem is due to improper installation, frame damage, or insulation failure, issues that simple repairs cannot permanently fix. Difficulty opening or closing windows and doors should operate smoothly. If they stick, scrape, or require extra force to open or close, something deeper may be wrong. This could indicate frame warping, settling of the home, hinge failure, or track misalignment. Repeated DIY adjustments can sometimes worsen the issue. A professional inspection ensures the problem is addressed correctly and safely. Visible frame damage, cracks, soft spots, or visible warping in window and door frames are red flags. Cosmetic patching may hide the issue temporarily, but structural damage compromises performance and security. Window and door professionals can determine whether repair is possible or if replacement is the safer, more cost-effective solution. Condensation between glass panes. If you notice fogging or moisture trapped between panes, the insulated glass seal has likely failed. This is not something that can be repaired with surface fixes. Professionals can evaluate whether the glass unit needs replacement or if a full window upgrade is necessary to restore efficiency. Rising energy bills without explanation and unexplained increase in heating or cooling costs may point to inefficient windows or doors. If repairs haven't improved performance, it may be time for a professional energy assessment. Experts can identify air leakage, poor insulation, or outdated components that are driving up energy use. Water intrusion or repeated leaks, water stains near windows or doors are serious warning signs. Temporary sealants may slow the problem, but they rarely solve it completely. Professionals can inspect flashing, frame alignment, and sealing systems to prevent long-term moisture damage to walls and flooring. Security concerns, loose locks, weakened frames, or doors that don't latch securely should never be ignored. While minor hardware can sometimes be replaced, deeper structural problems require professional attention. Window and door professionals ensure that security features function properly and that the entire system supports safe, reliable use. Aging systems near the end of their lifespan. If your windows and doors are decades old, repeated repairs may cost more over time than upgrading. Professionals can provide guidance on whether continued repairs are worthwhile or if replacement will offer better long-term performance and value. Repairs that only provide short-term relief. If you find yourself fixing the same issue repeatedly, that's a clear sign the underlying problem hasn't been resolved. Professionals address root causes rather than surface symptoms, saving you from ongoing maintenance headaches. Peace of mind matters. Windows and doors are critical to comfort, efficiency, and security. While minor fixes are sometimes manageable, larger issues require trained expertise. Calling window and door professionals ensures accurate diagnosis, proper installation or repair, and long-term performance. Instead of repeatedly patching the problem, you gain confidence that your home is protected and functioning as it should. When in doubt, choosing professional guidance isn't just about convenience, it's about protecting your investment and ensuring lasting results.